My name is Kate and I'm a beauty editor. The best part of my job as an editor is getting to attend amazing events and being able to play with beauty products all day long. The thing I find most challenging is when I'm in front of the camera shooting videos for work, as this brings out my biggest insecurity, my teeth. For as long as I can remember, I've always been self-conscious about my teeth. Because they're not as straight as I would like, I often feel hesitant to smile and put the best version of myself forward. I have thought about getting them straightened in the past, but I've always been put off by the cost or the thought of having to wear braces that you can see. When I heard about Invisalign treatment, it appealed to me right away because it's virtually invisible, which means it won't interfere with my work on camera or my lifestyle. I also discovered that many practices offer payment plan options for Invisalign treatment, which means you don't have to pay the full cost up front. My first step was calling the Invisalign Smile Concierge. It was great to talk to someone who could explain the process to me. They even managed to book me in with a provider who offers a free first consultation. During my first appointment, the doctor took a scan using an iTero scanner, which produced 3D digital images of my teeth and a simulated outcome of what my new smile could look like at the end of my treatment, which made me super excited. One of the reasons why I chose Invisalign treatment is because it offers the most advanced technology for teeth alignment, so I can feel confident in the results. The doctor created a personalised Invisalign treatment plan, which anticipates the exact movements of my teeth and the duration of my treatment. Now all I have to do is wait for my Invisalign clear aligners to arrive. I cannot wait to document my Invisalign journey and the progress towards my new smile.